Jared from IPD here today to talk to you about radio knob covers for P2 chassis Volvos. On these cars, it's quite common to see that the radio knobs get a little trashed over the years, to be honest. Volvo used this odd rubbery covering on them just for better feel, but the thing is they start to deteriorate over the years. We've got a number of solutions to help with this. One is going to be these plastic aluminum covers to fit over the stock knobs. These just slip on, no tools, no glue, nothing like that. It's just a friction fit. These just go right over your stock radio knobs and help freshen up the interior of the car. We also have replacement knobs altogether for these models as well. This is going to be for some specific Volvo P2 chassis, so check your car for fitment on the site. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-444-6473.